Welcome to Franchise Republic. In this video, we are going to feature Kuya J Fried Chicken franchise business ideas. Kuya J Fried Chicken is under the umbrella of Franco Group of Companies alongside Oscar Mart, FGC Pharmacy, Ecom Online Shop, and FGC Manufacturing. Kuya J Fried Chicken was first launched in July 2022 after a realization that fried chicken is most saleable products of Oscar Mart food to-go service. Since its integration, Kuya J Fried Chicken has opened branches in Metro Manila, Pampanga, Bulacan, Pangasinan, Bataan, Leyte, Cavite, Laguna, and a lot of soon to open nationwide. Brand development. With the success of the first branches of Kuya J Fried Chicken, Franco Group of Companies has launched FGC Food Franchising. FGC Food Franchising Commissary is located in Panay Avenue, Quezon City, San Antonio, Guagua, Pampanga, Carmen City, Florida Blanca, Pampanga, Bolinao, Pangasinan, and Carigara, Leyte, with the intention of bringing distinctive and mouth-watering fried chicken creations closer to the hearts of Filipinos everywhere. Kuya J's Fried Chicken has grown to over 100 locations since its launching. Kuya J Fried Chicken products. The brand became well known because it was made with the best ingredients and spices to ensure superior quality and flavor. Their flavorful sauces make their chicken even more delectable. Every bite will leave you satisfied because their J Fried Chicken is smothered in love and an affordable price. The following are the Kuya J Fried Chicken products: Kuya J Chicken Shots, Kuya J Fried Spaghetti, Kuya J Chicken Wings, Kuya J Burger, Crispy Fried Chicken. They also offer Kuya J breakfast meals like longanisa, tocino, bacon, corned beef, Shanghai, tapa, embutido, and chicken. Kuya J is definitely a great brand of fried chicken that will compete fairly to the rest of the fried chicken brands in the industry. For the franchise packages. Franchise package number 1, Basic Food Cart, with a franchise package fee of 35,000 pesos only. The franchise package includes Basic Food Cart with signage, initial products, complete set of utensils, 2 sets of uniforms, 1 electric deep fryer, utilization of business systems, marketing and promotional assistance, location research and evaluation, free layout of a store, support for the store's opening, franchise managing training, extensive crew training, directional signage, balloons and freebies, and free product tasting for customers. Franchise package number 2, Standard Food Cart, with a franchise package fee of worth 75,000 pesos only. The franchise package includes Standard Food Cart with Panaflex lighted signage, initial products, complete set of utensils, 2 sets of uniforms, 1 electric deep fryer, utilization of business systems, marketing and promotional assistance, location research and evaluation, free layout of a store, support for the store's opening, franchise management training, extensive crew training, directional signage, balloons and freebies, and free product tasting for customers. Franchise package number 3, Mall-type collapsible food cart. The franchise package is worth 150,000 pesos only. The franchise package includes mall-type collapsible food cart with Panaflex lighted signage, lighted menu, 1 set small range hood, 2 working table, 2 tarpaulin with stand, rice cooker, 1 double electric deep fryer, 2 sets of uniforms, 10,000 pesos worth of initial products, 1 small food steamer, 3 set of aprons, food gloves, complete set of utensils, operations manual, and guidebook. Franchise package number 4, customized kiosk. The franchise package is worth 250,000 pesos only. The franchise package includes initial products, complete set of utensils, 1 chest-type freezer and microwave, 2 sets of uniforms, signages, warmer and deep fryer, rice cooker and juice dispenser, utilization of business systems, menu board, marketing and promotional assistance, location research and evaluation, free layout of a store, support for the store's opening, franchise management training, extensive crew training, directional signage, balloons and freebies, and free product tasting for customers. The franchise process. Attend an online or in-person franchise opportunity presentation. FGC Food Franchising is holding an online business franchising opportunity presentation through Google Meet or Zoom every Wednesday and Saturday at 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Or you can schedule a one-on-one presentation via call or in person via email. Kindly send them your inquiry on the Contact Us page of their website. After presentation, one of their representatives will send a letter of intent for you to fill in and sign. This will be submitted back to the representative to walk you to the next step. Once the letter of intent is received, you will be given an application form to be filled in. This will be submitted back to the office once completed. An ocular inspection of your proposed location must be checked in person. Things that the inspector will consider are the foot traffic, nearby business establishments, parking, and convenience among others. Once the ocular inspection is approved, you will be receiving a copy of the approval before moving to the next step. Contract of reservation. Once the above process has been completed, payment in next. Contract of reservation is executed for the initial or full payment that will be settled. MOA. Once full payment on the chosen package is received, a memorandum of agreement will be prepared and signed by both parties. Once the MOA is submitted for notary, your copy will be mailed to you. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. Who qualifies to franchise Kuya J Fried Chicken? Answer: if you are motivated and self-driven individual and is willing to take risk, you are willing to devote extra time to overlook the business operation. You have the ability to finance the business with the required investment. You are willing to undergo training. Question number 2. How much is the investment to put up Kuya J Fried Chicken? Answer: depending on the type of Kuya J Fried Chicken package you are interested in. The following are the variety of Kuya J Fried Chicken packages. Basic kiosk package worth 35,000 pesos. Standard food cart package worth 75,000 pesos. Multi cart which is worth 125,000 pesos. Kiosk package which is worth 250,000 pesos. And small dine-in package which is worth 750,000 pesos. Question number 3. How long is the training program? Answer: as a franchisee, you and your crew are required to complete a basic operation training program at a designated training location. The duration for training completion is between 3 to 5 days. For the contact details, you may contact Franco Group of Companies with the address Victoria 1 Building, 1670 Quezon Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Philippines, with telephone number 0272949845 and a mobile number 0931-791-5623 or 0966-745-0147. You can send them an email at oscorcsr@gmail.com and one.francogroup@gmail.com. You can also visit their website at thejcfranchise.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Kuya J Fried Chicken franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.